Ever wondered what happens when a clever cat and a brave dog team up to solve a mystery? In a seaside town, a fearless tabby led a tiny parade of rescued puppies, guiding them to safety during a roaring storm. Dogs communicate with humans through comforting nudges and rhythmic tails, while cats orchestrate stealthy routes with decisive head tilts. A verified tale shows a retriever tracing a lost child by scent, while a rooftop cat scouts the path, turning fear into trust. These unlikely partners celebrate curiosity and courage, proving that every wag and whisker carries a story worth sharing.